Hey guys, it's Sky Monroe. I am class of 2026. My home school is Frontier High School, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my top 10 non-negotiable ways on how to make it and be successful in Mr. Erickson's chemistry class. Now, number one, make sure you have your own calculator because it comes in handy when you're doing all the stoichiometry problems that you'll be doing this year, which is a lot of math, and having a calculator saves so much time. Number two, if you know you're going to be running a little late to your chemistry lab, make sure you communicate that with Mr. Erickson. I was normally about 15 minutes late each chemistry lab because of my homeschool being so far away, but I made sure to communicate that with him so he knew what was going on. Number three, this is kind of a generic piece of advice, but it really is so important that you make sure you are doing your work when it is due and you're not like waiting and turning in late work, because even though you only get docked a little bit of points, those do add up. Number four, during labs, make sure you're paying attention to what Mr. Erickson is saying and discussing about what's going to be happening in the lab. Even though you have the instructions, just paying attention to him is really helpful because oftentimes what he says is more detailed than what the instructions say, and it helps you better understand, keep yourself safe, and helps you avoid future mistakes. Number five, make sure you study before you go into your chemistry labs because you're going to be having a quiz each lab, and it's often worth about 40 points. And even if you do bad, you can retake it another day, but it's just such a hassle to go to C-Tech, like again, just to retake it. So better just be safe than sorry and just study so you don't have to retake it. Number six, retake any CFU assignments you do bad on, which is basically just like a Canvas quiz, but you have the option to retake it about 3 times and just retake it until you get the best score possible, because it just really does set yourself up for success in the future. Number seven, make new friends during your labs because it makes things like so much more fun and enjoyable. It's so worth it. Number eight, do any and all extra credit assignments that are assigned, even if you don't need them, because it really is super helpful for the future and it leaves you with wiggle room in case you do bad on an assignment or two, and it really does make the biggest difference in your grade. Number nine, make sure you're paying attention to the videos that are in assignments and not just Googling the questions, because it helps you retain a lot more information than you think, I promise. And now lastly, number 10, which if you take anything away from this video, let it be this, my most important piece of advice, which is make sure you're writing organized notes in a notebook as you're watching any videos that are in assignments, because it helps you retain the information. It's super helpful to look back on, and it makes studying for your in-person quizzes, midterms, and finals so much easier. So those are my top 10 non-negotiables, and if you do all these things, you will have a very successful and productive school year, I promise, and your grade will definitely reflect that.